What's up, everybody? It's Thinker City. And let's be real for a second. Who wouldn't want to unlock the secrets to financial freedom? We all want that feeling of security, knowing we're in control of our lives and our futures. But here's the thing. Financial freedom isn't just about having a ton of money, it's about having options. It's about peace of mind. Today, we're diving deep into why understanding the benefits of financial freedom is so crucial. We're not just talking about retiring early, although that's definitely a perk. We're talking about the freedom to pursue your passions, spend more time with loved ones, and design a life you love. Throughout this video, I'm going to break down 5 key benefits of achieving financial freedom. We'll explore how it can empower you to make different choices, reduce stress, and ultimately, live a more fulfilling life. So buckle up, grab a notebook, and let's unlock these secrets together. Imagine this. Waking up every morning without the alarm clock dictating your schedule. Instead of being jolted awake by a blaring sound, you rise naturally, feeling refreshed and ready to embrace the day. Instead of hitting the snooze button, you have the freedom to choose how you spend your time. You could start with a peaceful meditation, a morning jog, or simply savor a cup of coffee while watching the sunrise. That's the power of financial freedom. It opens up a world of choices. It allows you to design your day, your week, and your life according to your own preferences and desires. Think about it. Financial freedom could mean finally taking that dream vacation you've always talked about, without worrying about the cost. Imagine exploring new cultures, tasting exotic foods, and creating unforgettable memories with your loved ones. It could mean having the flexibility to work remotely from anywhere in the world, whether it's a bustling city cafe or a tranquil beachside bungalow, or even quit your job altogether to pursue your true passion. Maybe it's writing a novel, painting, or starting a non-profit organization. Maybe you've always dreamed of starting your own business but felt held back by the financial risk. Financial freedom gives you the cushion to take calculated risks and chase those entrepreneurial dreams. With financial security, you can confidently present your business plan, knowing you have the resources to back it up. The possibilities are truly endless. The possibilities are truly endless. This isn't just about extravagant vacations or quitting your job on a whim, though. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and priorities. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and priorities. Maybe you want to spend more time with your family, enjoying dinners together and creating lasting memories. Maybe you want to spend more time with your family, watching your children grow and being there for the important moments. Volunteer for a cause you care about, making a difference in your community and feeling the fulfillment that comes from helping others. Or simply have the flexibility to pursue hobbies and interests you've put on hold. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, hiking in nature, or learning a new skill. Financial freedom empowers you to design a life that brings you joy and fulfillment, on your own terms. It's about breaking free from the constraints of a 9-to-5 grind and creating a life that truly reflects what matters most to you. It's about breaking free from the constraints of a 9-to-5 grind and creating a life that truly reflects what matters most to you. So as we move forward, remember that financial freedom isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about unlocking a life filled with choices and flexibility. It's about having the power to shape your own destiny and live life on your own terms. It's about having the power to shape your own destiny and live life on your own terms. Imagine walking confidently towards the horizon, knowing that you have the freedom to choose your path. And that, my friends, is priceless. The ability to live a life that is truly yours, filled with joy, purpose, and endless possibilities. Let's be honest, dealing with finances can be a major source of stress. The constant pressure to manage bills, debts, and daily expenses can feel overwhelming. Constantly worrying about bills, debt, and making ends meet can take a toll on your mental and physical well-being. It can lead to sleepless nights, anxiety, and even affect your overall health. But imagine a life where those financial worries fade into the background. Picture yourself in a place where money is no longer a constant source of stress. That's the peace of mind that comes with financial freedom. It's about having the security to know that you can handle whatever comes your way. When you're financially secure, you're not living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about unexpected expenses. You can plan for the future with confidence. You have an emergency fund to handle life's curveballs, and you're not drowning in debt. This safety net allows you to breathe easier and focus on other important aspects of your life. This financial stability creates a sense of calm and control, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. You can spend more time with loved ones and pursue your passions. Imagine no longer feeling anxious about opening bills or checking your bank account. Instead, you can approach your finances with confidence and clarity, knowing you're in a secure position. This newfound peace of mind can have a ripple effect on all areas of your life. Reduced stress levels can lead to improved sleep, better relationships, and increased productivity. When you're not constantly burdened by financial worries, you have the mental space to pursue your passions, nurture your relationships, and simply enjoy life more fully. Financial freedom doesn't mean you'll never face challenges, but it does mean you'll be equipped to handle them with greater resilience and less stress. Financial freedom doesn't mean you'll never face challenges, but it does mean you'll be equipped to handle them with greater resilience and less stress. It's about creating a solid foundation for yourself and your loved ones so you can navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and peace of mind. This stability allows you to enjoy the present and look forward to the future with optimism. Now let's talk about a topic that gets everyone excited: early retirement. Imagine ditching the daily grind and enjoying your golden years long before traditional retirement age. Financial freedom makes this dream a tangible reality. By building wealth and generating passive income streams, you can achieve financial independence and retire early on your own terms. This doesn't necessarily mean lounging on a beach all day, unless that's your thing, but it does mean having the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Early retirement could mean traveling the world, pursuing hobbies you're passionate about, or spending quality time with loved ones. It's about having the time and resources to design a retirement that excites you without being bound by financial constraints. Imagine waking up every morning with the freedom to choose how you spend your day, whether it's volunteering for a cause you care about, starting a new business venture, or simply enjoying the simple pleasures of life. Early retirement is about reclaiming your time and living life on your own terms. Of course, early retirement requires careful planning and disciplined saving, but it's an achievable goal with the right strategies in place. By making smart financial decisions today, you can pave the way for a future filled with freedom, flexibility, and endless possibilities. Have you ever had a dream you put on hold because of financial limitations? Maybe it was something you were deeply passionate about, but the costs seemed insurmountable. Maybe you wanted to start a business, learn a new skill, or travel the world, but the financial burden felt too heavy. These dreams often get sidelined because of the immediate need to manage day-to-day expenses. Financial freedom empowers you to invest in your passions and turn those dreams into reality. It allows you to focus on what truly matters to you, without the constant worry of financial constraints. When you're not constantly worried about money, you have the freedom to pursue your interests without the fear of financial setbacks. This peace of mind can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life. You can take risks, explore new opportunities, and invest in yourself without the weight of financial constraints holding you back. This freedom can be the catalyst for personal and professional growth. Imagine finally having the resources to pursue that hobby you've always been passionate about, whether it's photography, painting, writing, or anything else that sets your soul on fire. The possibilities are endless when financial worries are no longer a barrier. Financial freedom gives you the space to explore your creative side and discover hidden talents. It opens up a world of opportunities for self-expression and personal satisfaction. Maybe you've always dreamed of starting your own business but felt held back by the financial risk. The fear of failure can be paralyzing when your financial security is on the line. With financial freedom, you have the cushion to take calculated risks and pursue those entrepreneurial dreams without putting your financial security in jeopardy. This safety net can make all the difference in achieving your goals. Investing in your passions isn't just about hobbies and creative pursuits, though. It's about dedicating time and resources to what makes you feel alive and fulfilled. It's also about investing in your personal growth and development. This could mean taking steps to improve your skills, knowledge, and overall well-being. Financial freedom could mean finally having the resources to pursue higher education, attend workshops and conferences, or hire a coach or mentor to help you reach your full potential. It's about creating a life where you can thrive, not just survive. Financial freedom isn't just about securing your own future, it's also about the impact you can have on others. When you achieve financial security, you have the power to leave a lasting legacy for future generations. Imagine being able to provide for your children's education, help them achieve their dreams, and create a brighter future for them. Financial freedom allows you to break the cycle of financial struggle and give your loved ones a head start in life. Beyond your immediate family, you can also use your financial resources to make a difference in the world. You can support charities and organizations that align with your values, contribute to causes you care about, and leave a positive impact on the world around you. Imagine funding scholarships for underprivileged students, supporting medical research, or contributing to environmental conservation efforts. Financial freedom gives you the power to make a real difference and leave a legacy that extends far beyond your own lifetime. Leaving a legacy isn't just about money, though. It's also about the values you instill in your loved ones, the lessons you teach them, and the impact you have on their lives. Financial freedom simply provides you with the resources and opportunities to amplify that impact and create a ripple effect of positivity for generations to come. So there you have it, 5 powerful benefits of achieving financial freedom. We talked about how it unlocks more choices and flexibility in your life, reduces stress and anxiety, and opens the door to early retirement. We also explored how financial freedom empowers you to invest in your passions and leave a lasting legacy. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices today to create a brighter future for yourself and those you care about. Start by setting small, achievable financial goals and gradually work your way towards larger aspirations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who could benefit from it, and hit that subscribe button for more videos on personal finance, investing, and achieving financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on building the life of your dreams.